here if 0 is written as CHUR, so 0 is written as CHUR, so we need to find out the relationship between 0 and CHUR. Here if I am writing A B C D till Z, and then I am repeating A B C D like that, if I am going like that, after Z A will come, then B will come, then C will come, then after E F is coming, then G is coming, then H is coming, after R S is coming, then T is coming, then U is coming, then after O P is coming, then Q is coming, then R is coming. So in between Z and C there are 2 letters, in between E and H again there are 2 letters, so that is the relation. So we got the relationship. Now we need to see how player is written. Okay, so here if you look into the options, you can see that all the options start with S, right? All the options are starting with S, so you don't need to look the P1, you don't need to look the coding of P. Now second option, if you look into all the options, second letter is also O, all the second letters are O, so you don't need to look into this. So just take the options. Okay, so here the third option there is C and D, so I am just going to check what will come for A, what is the code for A. So A, B, C, then D will come, right? Because in between A and D there are 2 letters, so D is the letter, so I can eliminate option A. Now again next one is everything is B, so I don't need to look into Y. Now E, after that F is coming, then G is coming, then H is coming, right? So I can eliminate B also. Now for R, then it will come S, then it will come T, then U will come, so this also I can eliminate, so option D is the right answer.